Imagine a modern workspace where your laptop drafts your proposals, designs your assets, and organizes your data instantly. Most new creators and freelancers hit a wall in their first year. They burn out trying to manually write content, design graphics, and manage administrative emails at the same time. We are going to fix that. Step by step, we will build a workflow that manages your ideas, drafts your posts, creates your designs, and handles your inbox all in under 5 minutes. To build this, you only need 3 things: a chat interface, a design canvas, and an email inbox. The system relies entirely on accessible, free-to-use baseline tools. Putting this digital infrastructure in place removes you from the daily grind of manual labor. You stop operating as a laborer and start acting as a strategic business owner. Step 1 is establishing the core logic of your AI chatbot. We bypassed creative block by feeding the AI precise, targeted instructions right from the start. You will use a strict copy-paste prompt structure. Tell the chatbot to build a 30-day idea matrix by combining your target audience, your industry, and 3 specific pain points they face. This setup produces a clean data table. Instead of vague suggestions, the AI populates 30 actionable project concepts, organized by format and topic. Systematically eliminating the blank page problem up front recovers about 2 hours of wasted planning time for your week immediately. Now that we have our high-level plan, step 2 is execution. We select just one concept from that generated table to expand into a full draft. We apply our second prompt formula to build out the draft. You input, expand this specific idea into a chosen format, targeting a defined audience. A common failure point is publishing the raw output. To avoid a robotic tone, you must perform a manual review to edit the text and inject your own personal perspective. Once you establish your editing rhythm, you can use multiple browser tabs to prompt several tools at once, drafting an entire week of content in one sitting. Separating the high-speed generation phase from the focused editing phase allows you to finalize a day's worth of content in the time it used to take to write a single paragraph. Step 3 moves us from text to design. Laying out thumbnails and visual assets manually is traditionally the heaviest creative bottleneck in any project. To solve this, you take the text title you just generated and feed it directly into an AI image generator or an automated templating tool. The software bypasses the manual layout process entirely. Your simple text prompt instantly transforms into a high-resolution, deployable graphic asset. Automating your graphic design ensures your visuals consistently hit professional standards. You produce high-quality assets without sacrificing hours of your day or paying expensive agency fees. Step 4 targets the administrative backend. Client onboarding and invoicing are the final major friction points slowing down your day. You instruct your AI to draft modular, reusable email templates. Specify that you need one format for pitching new clients and a separate format for delivering invoices. Always proofread these templates to catch any errors in data. Once verified, save them directly into your email client as automated quick replies. Standardizing this communication loop means you can process client inquiries and send out invoices while completely stepping away from the keyboard. We now have an integrated pipeline. It moves from initial idea generation, through drafting and design, straight to the final automated client invoice. Running this precise sequence daily creates a compounding effect. Your creative output stacks up rapidly because you are no longer starting from scratch. This chart projects the resulting growth. The top trend line shows your freelance income rising in direct correlation to the reduction in your manual labor hours. Tallying the final metric confirms the result. Implementing this system recovers a minimum of 10 hours per week. This workflow creates a shift in how you earn. It decouples your total income from the specific number of hours you spend at the keyboard. Let's review what you just built: a 30-day content calendar, a completed draft, a professional thumbnail graphic, and an automated email template sequence. With these assets in place, you are ready to participate in an efficient, borderless network of global digital workers. Your immediate next step is to take these baseline prompt formulas and customize the variables to fit your specific niche. Implementing these steps changes your daily routine. You are no longer just performing tasks. You are running a system that produces results while you focus on high-level strategy. Subscribe to AI Profit Lab for more automation strategies.